So you buy stock that are booming for Nigeria and is making millions for Nigerians. In this hard economy, people are cashing out. In this hard economy, people are cashing out. Don't dull moments. Now in this community, it's all about saving, investing, and building financial freedom. Now, so many companies are complaining about the economy. You and I know that it's really, really not friendly. But guess what? There are companies in this country that are quietly growing their wealth. The good thing about it is that you and I can also benefit from it through stock. Investors alone. Not just for the investors alone, but for the nation as well. Now, if you want to know more, stick around. Don't scroll yet because these companies have done marvelously. We're going to be showing 5 top companies that you should invest in. Not just showing you to invest in them, but I'm going to be breaking it down in order for you to know how these companies have generated their percentage. I'm going to be showing their stock growth for the past 1 year. Again, as someone who don't really understand stock, this video is for you. Stock is not just about buying. It's good you know what this company does. It's good you know what this company are into. So when you are putting your money, even if we know that stock is a long-term thing. We know that stock is something stock is a long-term goal and it requires patience. See, let me tell you, even at that, you should be wise enough to buy from a company that even 10, 20 years from now, you have, if not 100% guarantee, but there is a guarantee that this company, you will get your investing in this company, you are sure that at least you get double of what you put in. That's what investment really is. So that is why it's good for you to know what. Don't worry, I got you, because I'm going to be listed them in this. Number 1 is BUA. BUA is into food. There is also into cement and all of that, and the company is really doing well. See, their market capital over the years is 1.5 trillion, and their stock growth has increased with 39%. You see, that's massive. Imagine if you invested last year, this year you get 39% of that amount you invested. And they are not just into food, they have been able to build food security, nearly 40% growth. And number 2 is that this one is really doing well. When I mean well, Dangote Smith is really doing well. It's over 7 trillion, and their stock growth has increased with about 49%. Number 3, that brings me to number 3, which is NTN. The stock was really down about a few months ago, but now it's really doing well, and their market capitalization is over 1.2 trillion, and their stock growth has increased with about 20%. That's have over 77 million users in Nigeria alone. So there's no way that company cannot do well. There's no way it cannot do. And that brings me to number 4, which is Sepla. Sepla is into oil and gas. It is really good. Their market cap is over 1.2 trillion, and guess what? Their stock worth has also increased with 20%, and it's really, really good. And they've been able to supply local refineries and energy needs, and that in this country we need that energy, and there's no way you can do that. So Sepla is really doing well, and that brings me to number 5, Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is really doing well, and the market gap is over 1.4 trillion, and their stock growth has increased over the past year with about 55% growth, and really, really well. And they've been able to 3.50 kobo per dividends. They are really good. There are people who use their house, their ATM, and there's no way that company cannot do it. ATM, Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank is really doing well. If you are a beginner, these are top 5 stock you should invest. I would advise, as a beginner or someone who don't really understand stock, don't just invest in stock because this is what you were told or what was said to you. Make sure you find out what are these companies doing and how do you invest in this. With every investor, you can buy any of this stock. Investor, put your NIN, just put all your information, just the way you do your bank app number, and from there you can be buying stock. You really need to have much. With as low as 5,000 and 3,000, you can buy stock. Right? You can buy stock. Start doing it now. Now is the right time. People that started 10, 20 years ago, they are reaping it now. 5, 10, 15 years from now, you pay from your stock. And guess what? Through these apps, After investor, you can also sell if you want to sell. But me, I don't like to sell, but I like long term. So you can also sell if you want to sell. Start now. Now is the right time. Now is the right time. Start building your portfolio. Start building your wealth. it's good that your money works for you. Before we continue, have you subscribed? Please subscribe, like, share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share, and let's build this portfolio together. Let me know in the comment section any other